Got ourselves a Stihl chainsaw. Ever heard of it? Let's see if we can get this thing fired up. I've never done this before, but it can't be that hard, right? This was found in an old barn. Don't know how long it was sitting. I think it's from the 80s. It is a Stihl 042 AV. The electronic quick stop. I've never owned a chainsaw, so I have no idea what anything does. I wonder if I can get plastics for this thing. Cool. Got a wee bit of rust on this thing. I think we're gonna get a new exhaust for it. Seems to be the only rusted part. We're gonna need a lot of degreaser on this guy. Okay. What the hell? It does look like this just comes off here. Boom! Look at that. That's what that Arizona sun does right there. We're looking pretty good here, not bad. Yeah. I mean, gonna see if we have spark here and hope for the best. So we got the plastics pulled off this bad girl. Gonna pull a plug and see what we got rocking with in the cylinder head here. It's a 2-stroke, so what the hell? Whew. Not bad. Not bad at all. Get up close and personal with this bad girl. I mean, she should fire here. We just need some gas, some oil. Carb looks clean. I really do. Hopefully it just needs to be cleaned up here and we'll get her going with some starting fluid maybe. Pull off the air filter here. Take a look. To remind you guys, I have never done this before. So anybody can do this. If you look at that, we're looking clean in there. Oh, it's all sticky. Okay. I think it's in there, and it just needs to be clean. See him. Looks like she's wide open all the time. A little WD-40 will fix that. Doing the old brake clean, air filter cleaner here. That's no good. Ended up just using a rag. Looking pretty good. Put this bad girl back on. Cross thread's the tightest thread. Alright, so I think WD-40 is going to be our best friend with this throttle. Found some fuel. Might be a little old. We'll see. California State approved. And God, that smells fantastic. Well, couldn't find any two-stroke oil, so we're gonna use some synthetic 540. Can always go get some of that. It's a Stihl, right? Why does it matter? I think she'll run. Can always drain her out. Blah. Dogs are out. If this throttle don't stick, but that don't really matter. Little PD blaster. Only the best for the best. Oh, look at that. All right. Woo! If you ask me, she runs. I think we need to get some regular two-stroke oil, maybe some better gas, and she'll idle. Got ourselves a Stihl chainsaw. This is my first video. I think in the second one we'll make this thing pretty. Maybe put the right fuel in it, you know? Might be a good idea. Looks like we got ourselves a good tree cutter right here. See you in the next one.